I would say impact. Azumuta is a small company. There's a lot of change in the company right now. So there's a lot of opportunity to have an impact, to make a change. And that's what I enjoy doing. And I think another main reason for me personally was also learning something new. Working in a manufacturing context really gives me the opportunity to learn a completely new environment again, new technologies, new ways of working, which is always an interesting thing to do. We're looking for, I would say, everything from principal engineers up until junior engineers and everything in between, because we believe that there has to be variety within the team and everybody brings value in their own way. Next to that, we're also looking for robotic system engineers, because we're also starting work on supporting robotics. We believe that's where the future is heading for manufacturing. Therefore, robotics is a key part of what we're building as well.